mobs from start. And they spawn far, which is pretty bad. And it's good mob. It's good enemies though.
Yeah.
And it's non spiders that doesn't do poop to you. Oh no, I did a mistake. Shit.
Golden Bane, but let's not pull it yet because I have quite a large pull going on.
Fucking did it again, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, I hit Golden Bane by accident.
Okay. Well,
I'm gonna run I'm gonna run a circle before, just so I can make sure I have everything.
you can just bring it in, man. Just bring
Well,
it in.
Bring in the love. Bring
Yeah.
it. But I get some food first though. Then I come in. There's the food.
What's the garrison thing add-on? Hold?
Garrison hold.
Come on, man. Bring me some.
I'm coming! Fuck's sake!
You're too fast.
Look at me, dude.
Good.
I have it. Oh, there's Snow over there. Do you have one?
Yep, I'm wondering.
Gripping? Fearing? No! I procced already! What? I got fast spawn though.
Okay, that's good.
I'm back.
I'm trying to leave the orbs for the gnomes.
Names.
Oh, we got gnomes again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, look, we are almost done, so stop slacking,
Okay,
man.
I cleared that
I need-
chest over here. I'm gonna go mountain, so there should be chests as well.
Oh, yeah, I'm at the mountain. We'll just steer away. Hey, Dante?
Hello.
Olympus, what are you doing?
Hey, bro.
I'm
see the
trying to
chest.
figure out which add-on is the one for the...
We got the elementals up, big boys.
for the mission.
Towards our ship. But to the left of it, so between ships. It will be. Where's the last quest? Down
Ooh, there's a lot of things here. I should loot them.
there. Did you see what the last quest was?
Where's the last question? You have the only one who's been down there.
I think we saw it at the start and I didn't really went there. It's fucking lock. Okay, heavy B.
Oh, by the way, world boss spawning was a bug.
Yeah, we know.
Wait,
I
Goldman is dead?
Okay, I'm going.
No, I'm going to Vex. They're right here, so just do what you're doing.
Yeah, I did. I got the question.
This is giga fast, dude!
If
Under
if
3
someone-
minutes?
If close to at least under like under 5, 100%. If someone comes
And we got the
pulling
quad here. This is giga
No.
spawn.
no, come fucking remove these elementals. Like I
No,
win.
dude.
Quality,
No,
quality,
no.
Come to me.
Oh
This is giga.
no, this tiger, dude! I would have finished it right now. This spider tiger literally.
I turned it off you. I try and get it.